Hi, my name is Addison, and I'm going to show you my kittens. These kittens were born about 4 weeks ago. They're 6. They're not too old. They're almost weaned. This is a girl. Her name is Tilly. Then this kitten is a boy. It's Sebastian. Then this kitten is a girl. Her name is Bella. And the last one is the runt. Small set of litter is what that means. Its name is Dakota, the boy. And then we just got a new litter of kittens yesterday by Dutch. Say hi, Dutches. And I believe this one, no, this is the runt, I know. It's a little boy. It's okay, girl, you don't have to worry about it. And I believe this one's a little girl, I'm not sure. It is a little boy, I guess, and I think these two are little girls, I'm not for sure. This one's really pretty. Really pretty. Little guy. That is a little girl, and this one is a little girl. It's kind of the same texture, it's just a little different. And these will all be given away. Oh, this is the older kitten's mom. And these will all be given away. So whenever you're allowed to get one, I'll show you my number. I'll talk to you later. Bye.